if you'll observe very carefully, except helium, all the noble gases have completely filled outermost cells. Means their valency cell, whatever the cell is present in outermost is completely filled with how many electrons, guys? Completely filled with 8 electrons.
8 electrons.
So whatever the cell is present in last cell, this last cell is called as outermost cell. What we should call? Outermost cell, or else orbit we can say. Orbit also we can call. Understanding this orbit is only known as valency orbit. What we should call? Valency. Or we can say valency orbit. Valency orbit we can say. That is what. So based upon this valency cell only, that the atom is reactive or unreactive we can decide. So if you observe very carefully, now you people tell me, suppose if you take sodium, it can donate 1 electron. Chlorine, it can receive 1 electron. Now you people tell me, is it possible to remove the electrons from the outermost cell of noble gases or not possible? Anybody? Is it possible to remove the electron or not possible to remove the electron? Please respond me. So let me take for example, if we take neon. So neon means 2,8. Is it yes, guys? 2,8 neon. Please respond me. So neon is atomic number is 10 and the symbol is Ne. So now electronic configuration is 2,8. So what is the valency cell here? If you speak means it is good. What is the valency?
8, sir.
8. K and L. So L is the valency cell. Now, is it possible to remove the electron from it? That is what I am asking. So is it possible
No, sir.
from 8? Please respond me.
No, sir.
No. Why?
No, sir.
It is not possible.
Already it is stable, sir.
Not possible to remove electron because they are already very stable in nature and they will never react, not take part in chemical reaction, chemical reaction. So that is why it is very difficult to, not at all possible to remove electrons from the outermost cell of noble gases. Why? They will never take part in any chemical reaction. Understand, guys? That is, you should remember. So due to this outermost electrons of noble gas atom, they cannot take part in any chemical reactions. So since these noble gases are, understanding, completely filled outermost cells are valency cells, which are chemically unreactive, which are make them chemically unreactive. So the reactivity of elements, if you'll observe very carefully, is depends on what, guys? Either it is reacting more or reacting less, or not at all reacting, is depend on only valency cell. Is depend on what? Valency cell. So that is you should remember. So always every atom by losing electron or by gaining electron, it is trying to get the electronic configuration of noble gases. Do you understand, guys? Every matter, every element, either by donating or by losing, understanding, by gaining electrons, it is trying to become stable in nature. Like what? Like inert gases. So that is why, understanding, always metals and non-metals, they will react. Why are they reacting? Why they are forming the chemical compounds? Because they will try to lose the electrons or they will try to gain the electrons by donating or receiving the electrons. That is only we should call it as. Why they are doing that, guys? Anybody can answer this? Jesse, Ashika, Nitinath.
What, sir?
Why they are donating or receiving electrons? Because why? What is the
Because
reason?
they have the capacity to donate their electrons in their last shell. There will
Suppose, for
be
example,
only 2, 3 or 4.
no, Padmavarshini. Why they are doing that? That is what I am asking. Anybody? Yalini, Madhumita?
In order to complete
To reach
all
oxide state.
Yes.
Sir, to reach oxide state.
to order to become stable in nature. Do you understand? Everybody wants to stable in nature. Suppose humans only you take. Everybody wants to get good job. Everybody wants to settle in nature, settle in life. Everybody wants a good house, like everything, good income every month. Every problem should be clear. Like we want to become stable in nature, sophisticated we can say. Correct or not? So to become stable in nature, only we people are working. Yes or no? Now why you people are studying? Because to get good marks. So to become stable in nature, stable in the sense of to make all everything to gain by yourself, whatever you need. That is what, not unreactive. Don't understand that. So like atoms also, if they are in unreactive state, always they should be involved in a chemical reaction. So by combining, like by donating or receiving electrons, they will try to acquire the electronic configuration of what, guys? They will try to acquire the electronic configuration of Anusri, noble gases. They will try to get the understanding inert gas electronic configuration, and they will become what, guys? They will become stable in nature. What they will become? They will become stable in nature. That is the reason. So how fast they will react, how fast, how slowly they will react, that is what we can say. The tendency of atoms to achieve understanding a completely filled outermost cell or valency cell is only called as combining capacity of an element is called as valency. What we should call combining capacity, we should call it as what? Valency. Understand, Dina? Pranav is not there. Call him. Jesse is also. Bhumika is also not there. So inform them. Do you understand, what is this? The combining capacity of Karthikeyan. And what we should call always they will try to understanding the reactivity of these elements. Always they will try to acquire the electronic configuration of noble gases. And what is the reason behind Elamati? They will try to become stable in nature. That's all. There is nothing behind it. Okay. So now the gaining, the combining capacity. What is the meaning of combining capacity, guys? Either gaining electrons or losing electrons. Do you understanding, Ra? So the combining capacity of atom is known as valency. What we should call it, guys? Valency. Understand, Ra? So this valency only will decide either the atom, understanding, atom can lose electron or loss electron or what, Ra? Loss electron or gain electron. That is you have to remember. So now, why they are losing electrons or gain electrons? Because to become stable. Understand, Ra? Stable like inert gases. That's all. So nothing the reason behind it. So this is what we should call as inertness of noble gases. So I hope you all understand what is inert gases. Can anybody define what is inert gases? Harini, Akshaya, Varshini, Anusri, anybody can define what is inert gases? Jesse?
Elements which are already stable and never take
They're already stable in nature, sir.
Already stable in nature. You should not say that is inert gases means. You should say some other thing. What is that?
They do not
Unreactive in
receive or
nature.
share electrons.
That is not. According, along with the electronic configuration, you can say. Now you can define. Based upon, include the words electronic configuration, outermost cell.
Their electronic configuration is so stable that so that they don't want any other external.
Yeah, remember that is okay. That's not exact. If you want, somebody will ask you what is inert gases or unreactive gases means. If any atom or any element contains the outermost cell or else outermost valency cell, if contains 8 electrons, then it will become stable in nature or unreactive in nature. So that is called as inert gas, or we can say inert element. What we should call that? Inert element, which is unreactive in nature. Is it okay, guys? So they are getting that unreactive nature because of why, guys? Because of the electronic configuration, stable electronic configuration. At which cell, Ra? At which cell? At which cell?
Valence shell.
Valence cell. Outermost cell. Is it okay? Everybody? Please support me. That is clear, guys. That is how to remember. So hope you all understand.
How to electron means what, sir?
What, Ra?
So the OR the argon electron.
Or gain electrons. It is separate word, OR. Okay, va? Either can lose electron or gain electrons. Okay, va? So why they are lost the electrons or gain the electrons? To become stable in nature. Is it okay, Karthikeyan? That is. Understand everybody?
sir.
Hope everybody understand. Now, keep next concept. Cause of chemical bonding. Cause of chemical bonding. So already I taught the cause, but once again you have to return. Cause of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. Cause of chemical bonding, or also we can say chemical combination. Anybody can say the reason? Kevin, Dilipan, Dina. Chemical combination. Why the chemical bond is forming? Why can't the other elements are also like noble gases? Anybody, please respond. Very important concept. Based upon this only, our further studies will be remembered. If you are in chemistry, remember, very important. Chemical. Cause of
In
chemical.
order to
Just now I
to
said the
complete
reason.
the
How many people are like this? Speak. Try
they
to
need to become stable in nature.
that is the reason. So somehow, Dina, two elements gain and loss electrons in order to reach octet rule. Okay. So observe very carefully, guys. Cause of chemical bonding, as we discussed now, like inert gases, all the elements, whatever unreactive, whatever reactive in nature, which don't have 8 electrons, or which is having a only single cell, and understanding not having 2 electrons, they always try to acquire a same electronic configuration. Like what? Like what, Elamati? Like noble gases. So that is the reason behind cause of chemical bonding or chemical combination. Remember, everything in this world wants to become what, guys? Everything in the world wants to become more stable in nature. Nobody likes to be unreactive. Understanding, nobody likes to be very reactive. Is it yes, guys? Everybody wants to stability in life. Yes or no? Please respond me. Is it, are you people are always ready to face the problems? People are ready to face the problems always throughout the life? No, at certain stage, you people are trying to get the stability in nature. Is it a stability in life? Yes or no? Please respond. Like, not only us, every atom, everything in this world, always they're trying to become stable. Means in the sense of like getting a standard in nature, like a standard job we people will discuss. And a government job is the standard job, private job is always temporary. So let us try for government job. Like that we people discuss, correct? Like everything, every animal, every atom, every nature, everything, they wants to become more stable. So for atoms, stability means in the sense of what? For us, stability means getting good job, getting good house, buying a good house, understanding some marriage, everything, etc. Some like dreams. But atoms, what is the stability means? Anybody? For us, okay. What do you mean by atoms? Atoms, what is the meaning of stability? Just now, how many times I taught that? Again, if people are silent, means what is the meaning of stability in according to the atoms? Is it they will buy the money? They will get the money, Dina? Is it they are earning one?
The outlet.
What is the
Last cell should be full, sir.
Yes. What is the stability for atoms? Yes, having the electronic arrangement of an inert gas. That is the stability. Yes or no? Like for us, how we are getting a government job is the stability. Like atoms, if they will acquire the inert gas chemical, understand inert gas electronic configuration. That is what their stability. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me. Okay, so always atoms stability means what do you mean by atom stability? Acquires the electronic configuration of an inert gas. That's all. Or else having the electronic configuration of or else electron arrangement. Arrangement of an inert gas. That is what the stability of, understanding, stability of any kind of atom. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me. Somebody is asking something. Kevin,
Yes, sir.
the atoms of elements do chemical bonding to again noble gases, electronic configuration and become more stable. Never, Kevin. Never, Kevin. Noble gases will never react with anything. Is it okay, Kevin? That's all. It's already overloaded. They will never go with anything again reacts. Okay, Nitina, Kevin. Already they are stable. Again, more stable, less stable. If nothing is there, only one word called as stable. No, again more stable. No, again less stable. Okay, Kevin. Please respond me. That is so. Now, as we know, atoms wants to become stability. How? Like getting electron arrangement of an inert gas. Now, to get the electron arrangement of inert gas, what they need to do, guys? Please tell me.
They need to combine, sir.
Either they need to lose the electrons or they need to
Or gain electrons.
correct or not? So the atoms will combine with another to achieve the inert gas arrangement and become more stable. So the two unreactive atoms, not all, understanding, are particularly specific based upon their valency, based upon their capacity, understanding. So two unreactive atoms and reactive atoms combine together, understanding, combine each to get what, guys? To become stable in nature. Stable in nature. That's all. So atoms from chemical bonds. Atoms form chemical bonds to achieve stability by acquiring the which electronic configuration, guys? Acquiring the electron arrangement of inert gases. So while they are combining each other to get the electronic configuration of this inert gas, so they will form the chemical bond between them by donating or receiving the electrons. This is what we should call as reason of understanding chemical bonding. So what is the cause of chemical bonding? So the unstable atoms, to gain the electron arrangement of inert gases, they will combine with what? They will combine with another atom. Understanding that? So that is what the cause of chemical bonding. Understand, guys? Please respond me, everybody.
Yes, sir.
That is. So now you can say here, an atom can achieve the inert gas electron arrangement in 3 different ways. How many different ways, guys? 3 different ways. So suppose I am only unreactive element. I want to become more stable in nature, like unreactive gases like noble gases. So I have 3 possibilities. So it is not constant for every. So I have 3 possibilities. One is either gain electrons. What is that?
It's already stable, no, sir.
What, Ra?
This atom already stable, no, sir.
The inert gases, which is unreactive, man.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, inert gases are unreactive. For them, no gaining or no losing electrons. But other atoms, other elements, they will try to gain the inert gas electronic configuration. Means, like inert gases, they also will try to get the electrons and they will try to become stable in nature. That is the cause of chemical bonding. Understand, Karthikeyan? Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So now,
So this element also try to stable in
that will
nature.
man, other elements will try to behave like this. Suppose, see, Ambani is there and everybody wants to take inspiration him and try to become like him. Correct or not? Everybody try to become like Ambani, but anyhow it is won't possible. But he is our inspiration, correct? Yes, I want to earn the money like him. Like that, we have 6 unreactive elements. So other elements also which are very reactive, they also will try to become like unreactive by somehow and arranging the electrons according to their arrangement of noble gases. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is. So now the 3 ways they can arrange the electrons. How? What is the first way? Can anybody say? What is the first method to get the inert gases electronic configuration? By lose one or more
Losing
electrons.
or gaining electron.
Yeah, by losing one or more electron. What is that? One or more electrons. To what? To another atom. To another atom. This is the first method. What is the second one? Anybody? By gaining.
By gaining.
Crossing over. Next what? By gaining one or more electrons. Now, to another atom or from another atom? From another atom.
From another atom.
Others also involved means it is good. Karthikeyan not understanding means ask me. Now, third method. Third method what, guys? Losing, gaining over. Next, what is remaining finally? Starting itself.
Sharing.
By sharing. What is that, Radhina? By sharing, how many electrons? One or
One or more.
more electrons. Now, what is the word will come here? To, from, over. What is that? Sharing each other. What will come? With another atom. With another atom. So, till here, any doubt means anybody can ask. So, unstable atoms will try to get the stable electronic configuration by how many methods, guys? By 3 methods. What is the 3 methods? Karthikeyan, Arun Karthikeyan, Ashika.
By losing one or more
By
electrons.
losing
One more electron.
one or more electrons
Atom. By gaining one or more electrons from another
From
atom.
another atom.
By sharing one or more electrons with another atom. Do you understand?
Another atom.
electrons
Please respond me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, please write it. Write these 3 things. So what is the 3 methods to gain the inert gas electronic configuration? Harini, Yalmati, Madhumita. What is the 3 methods to gain the electronic
by
configuration?
losing one or more electrons
By
to
losing
another
one or
atom.
more electrons, by
By
gaining one or more
electrons
electrons,
from
sharing
another
one or more
atom. By
electrons.
sharing one or more
So,
electrons with another.
these loss and gain of electrons is only called as transfer of electrons. What we should call? Transfer of
Sir,
electrons.
what is the difference between losing and sharing electrons, sir?
Losing means completely it will donate. Understand, Jesse? You understand, Jesse? Suppose you have a 2 rupees. You can donate me 1 rupee. Then how much you have, Jesse? You have only 1 rupee. Correct or not? Do you understand, Jesse? No response.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, gaining electrons means suppose you have a 2 rupees. You give me 1 rupee. So I gained 1 rupee from you. Now you lose 1 rupee. So that you are losing 1 rupee and I am gaining 1 rupee. That is the first 2 methods. Now, last 2 methods. Sharing means you also won't lose and I am also won't gain. Suppose you have 1 rupee and you want to become stable only by gaining 1 more rupee. Do you understand, Jesse? The response means it is good. And me, I am also having 1 rupee. I also will become stable in nature only by gaining 1 more rupee. So what will do? You cannot donate me. I also cannot donate you. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what we'll do means we both together will keep these 2 rupees. Your rupee and my rupee will keep together so that you will feel that you have a 2 rupees and I will feel that from my side I have a 2 rupees. Then what? Both will become stable in nature. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That is called as sharing. Is it okay, guys? Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Doubt means
Yes,
ask.
sir.
That is. So now, you can observe very carefully here. Gaining or losing electrons means in the sense of what? Transfer of electrons. What is happening? Transfer of electrons. So, always all of you should remember. First 2 things, gaining, understanding, or losing electrons only takes place in metals and non-metals. Both it will take place. What will take place here? Metals and non-metals. Understand, guys? So between atoms takes place between the metals and non-metals. All of you should remember. Gaining electrons, gain or loss. Gain or loss takes place between what, guys? Takes place between metal plus metal and non-metal. Do you understand what I am saying?
Non-metal.
All of you?
Metal plus non-metal.
Yeah, this gain or loss only we should call it as transfer of electron. What we should call? Transfer of electron. Understand that? But you can take here. Next one, sharing electrons. Sharing electrons, where it will take place, guys? Sharing electrons, Nitinath, Arvind, Nitish. Only between non-metal and non-metal.
Non-metal and non-metal.
Non-
Non-metal.
and non-metal. Do you understand, guys? Next, metal and metal, is it possible reaction? Anybody?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No reaction. Understand, Ra? It's okay, Jesse. It's okay. So now that is what you have to remember. Madhumita, understand, Madhumita? Jesse, Dilipan, Yalini, Prahasini, clear? So sharing electrons takes place only between non-metals and non-metals, and gaining or losing electrons will take place between what, guys?
Metal and non-metal, sir.
That is what you have to remember. So now, both the cases we should discuss now. By losing or gaining electrons, what will happen? And only by sharing electrons, what will happen? You have to discuss. So, in order to understand these reactions between metals and non-metals, first you should know, it is very necessary to know the meaning of the term called as ions. What we should call it, guys? Ions. Understand, Ra? So now, let us discuss what is ions and how they are forming. Everything we have to remember now. So before we do that, please all of us should remember, electrons are represented by the symbol. What is the electron symbol? Anybody can say? Electrons are
E minus.
Electrons are represented by E power minus. Understanding, Ra? E up minus. E minus is for standards for what? Electron, and minus sign indicate what, guys? It is negative charge.
Negative in nature.
Negative charge. That is what you have to remember. Karun, Karthikeyan and Karthikeyan, both of you understand or not? Yes or no?
Understand, sir.
Yeah. So now, two more things I should say. The last cell, what we should call it? Everybody respond me. One last
Valence shell.
outermost cell, we used to call it as valence cell.
Valence cell.
And all of you should remember, the electrons present in the outermost cell is called as valence electrons. What we should call? Valence electrons. Understand, Ra? Valence cell, and whatever the electrons are present in outermost cell, whatever the electrons are present in outermost cell, they are called as what, guys? Valence electrons. What we should call? Valence electrons. Is it okay, Ra? These are the things you have to remember. Any doubt in this? Please respond. Clear? Yes or no? Now, you will understand this. So before going to understanding, study the reaction of metals and non-metals as well as non-metals and non-metals. We should know the meaning of some term. What is the term I said? What is the term I said? What is that?
Ions.
Ions. Understand? So all of you keep heading ions. Ion. Okay. So now, what do you mean by ion? Anybody can say? Already people know, correct? Class 8th onwards you are studying. What do you mean by ion? Arya, Anusri, Akil, Fan. Huh? Tell me, Ra. Now onwards more important, Ra. Please
The
respond.
valency electrons.
Electric charge.
Prasini, Timothy.
Electric charge.
Positive or negative charge atoms are
No.
not there.
Ra.
So it becomes one or more positive and negative ions. Negative
Remember, ions means
charges.
electrically charged atom. Nothing is there. So whenever the atom will become electrically charged means maybe it is a positive or maybe it is what? Negative. That is what we should call it as ions. Ions means, all of you should remember, an electrically, what is that? An electrically charged atom. Electrically charged atom is called as ion. Once again, I won't say. Or else, group of atoms also. That is what polyatomic ions. Do you remember? Class 9th you all studied carbonate, nitrate, hydrate. Do you remember? That is. So not only atom, or else group of atoms also. What is it called? Group of atoms also.
Group
This
of
is called as
atoms.
polyatomic ions. That is what you have to remember. So an electrically charged atom is called as what, guys? Ions. Understand, Ra? So now, if you take example, for example, you can take sodium atom. If I'll write Na, this is indicating sodium atom. What is indicating? Sodium atom. You have to respond me. Now, if I will write like this, for example, if I'll write like this, sodium plus, then ion.
Ion, sir.
What?
This is ion.
Ion. You have to remember. This is sodium ion. 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 This is sodium ion, and this is called as what? Sodium atom. Now here no electric charge. Now here electric charge is present. That is called as positive only, not any charge is called as ion, we can say. Is it okay, guys?
Sodium ion.
Yes, that is. Are you clear, guys? Like that, you can take. Suppose magnesium, you can take. So now sodium here, by losing one electron, how many electrons? By losing one electron, it is gaining one positive charge. Means one positive charge is increasing. So that plus one is coming. Plus one or plus indicating what? One only. Is it okay, guys? That is one indicate one or now magnesium you can take. Magnesium. This is called as what? Magnesium atom. What is it called? Magnesium atom. Others
Magnesium atom.
and respond. By losing how many electrons? 2 electrons.
2 electrons.
It will turn into magnesium 2 plus. Again, we'll study how it will form. Understanding. Magnesium 2 plus. So this is called as what, guys?
Magnesium ion.
Magnesium ion. That is what.
Ion.
Remember, guys. Understand, Ra? So, same way you can take. For example, chlorine Cl minus. If I'm writing Cl minus, what is indicating? Chlorine ion. Yes or no?
Chlorine
If I
negative.
take O2 minus. What is this called as? What is this called as? Oxygen. Correct or not? Oxygen ion. But we have a name this one. Have you noticed it in compounds? O will come. We used to call it as oxide. What we should call? Oxide. This is called as oxide. Chlorine Cl minus will come. What we should call? Chloride ion. What is it called?
Chloride ion.
Chloride ion. And this is called as oxide ion.
ion.
What is it called? Oxide ion. So here,
Oxide ion.
chlorine is gaining 1 electron. Oxygen is gaining how many electrons? 2 electrons.
One, sir.
2 electrons.
So from this you can understand from sodium, magnesium, and as well as chloride ion and oxide ion. You can understand. So ions are forming by 2 methods. What is that? By gaining electrons.
Sharing. Losing or
Losing
gaining.
electron.
No, don't say sharing. Sharing is wrong. What is that? By gaining electrons or by
Losing electron.
losing electrons. Correct or not? So an ion is by the loss or gain of electrons. By whom, guys? By atom. What is that? By atom. So please all of you write it. Right. Ion. What is the definition of ion? An ion is formed by,
Electrically charged atom.
right, ION. An ion is formed by the loss or gain of anybody having doubt means please kindly ask me. Loss or gain of electrons by whom, guys? By an atom.
Atom.
By an atom. If you are involved in class, you can easily remember more. You can see the difference in half early if you are participating in class. So it contains and what, guys? Because of gaining or losing, what will happen? The unequal number of
It will become stable, sir.
yeah, it will become stable. Okay, not stable. Actually, if you will take any atom, number of protons and number of electrons are same. That is what we should call it as atomic number. Correct, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
By
Yes,
loss of
sir.
electrons, what will happen? The unequal number of electrons and protons. What will happen? So it contains an unequal number of I will say you now explanation more clearly. I will give you number of electrons are what? Electrons are protons. That is what. So this is what we can say. So now I will explain you this. Please, all of you, 5 minutes rest I am giving you. Please drink the water and come. I also will drink the water and we will continue from here. Is it okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, all of you take a 5 minutes break and you come back. And again, I also will drink water. Welcome.